tipping one. This is one. Today I'm going to do a top one of the Bissell and one stick vacuum. As you can see, it's really good as well to see, but I expected this thing to be used almost like quite a bit a lot of times, as you can see. And as the model you can see, it's in 20 billion, was released in 2020, which is actually it's kind of what I expected. This thing's been used almost like the whole quite a bit a lot of times. If you can tell, yeah, you can see it's been used almost like quite a bit, but you can tell it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion. But if you can tell this thing's been used almost quite a bit, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just because you can see how much this thing's what's not the cheap, but it's like you don't know how expensive this thing's been used almost quite a bit. But I do like it. It's pretty cool in my opinion. I don't like it's got to show a corner, but what you gotta do is actually because you can kind of see it's being used almost quite a bit, and you can tell it's not how much expected to see. The handle comes off pretty easily. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just because how much I spent. This thing's been used almost quite a bit of time, but you can tell as the definitely looks quite nice. You can push this in if you want. And, definitely really seems like cool in my opinion, and I do love this thing ever since. But you know what? It's pretty cool in my opinion. I do love this thing ever since, but you know what? I feel like this thing's been used almost like quite a bit of times, you know, and this thing looks pretty good.